Dear food lovers and practicality enthusiasts, hold on tight because I am about to introduce you to a machine that will transform the way you prepare and store your food. Imagine a device that allows you to extend the shelf life of your products while preserving their flavor and freshness. Look no further. Here is the VAC 40425 from ROMMELSBACHER. And if you want to know if this product is really made for you, watch this video until the end. And know that this revolutionary product is intended for all cooking enthusiasts, from amateurs to experienced chefs. Whether you enjoy exploring new recipes at home, preserving your garden harvest, or if you are a hunter or fisherman concerned about keeping your catch fresh, the VAC 40425 from ROMMELSBACHER is designed to meet all your needs. It becomes your ally in extending the shelf life of your food while preserving its flavor and quality, allowing you to express your culinary creativity without limits. Imagine yourself chopping fresh ingredients in your kitchen, your imagination fueled by the prospect of a delicious recipe. But wait! Have you ever been frustrated by the loss of flavor and texture of your food in just a few days? This is where the VAC 40425 from ROMMELSBACHER comes into play. Designed with passion for demanding home chefs and culinary professionals, this device will amaze you from the very first use. Do you enjoy hunting or fishing? Do you grow your own crops in your garden? Are you a fan of creative cooking? Whatever your culinary passion, the VAC from ROMMELSBACHER is here to simplify your life. With its powerful high-quality piston pump, it removes air from the bags and then automatically seals everything with a strong double sealing stitch. Your food stays fresh up to 5 times longer. But wait, that's not all. Thanks to its integrated compartment with a cutting knife, you can create perfectly sized bags for your food. Imagine the satisfaction of preparing your vacuum portions, ready to be used whenever you want. And for the most delicate foods, the manual vacuum and sealing function is there to give you complete control. You are ready to take your cooking to the next level. Don't miss this exceptional opportunity. Click the link in the description now to order your VAC from ROMMELSBACHER at the best price. Learn more about its incredible features and discover the thousands of extremely enthusiastic customer reviews that share their very positive experiences. In addition to its one-handed ease of use and sturdy design, the device offers a convenient viewing window to make sure your bags are properly positioned. With the VAC 40425, you can even preserve liquid and sensitive foods thanks to the vacuum container function, a preservation trick worthy of the greatest Michelin-starred chefs. Reduce food waste and save money by extending the shelf life of your ingredients through vacuum sealing. Whether you are an amateur or a passionate cook, the vacuum from ROMMELSBACHER is your ultimate partner for unforgettable culinary adventures. Want to learn more about this revolutionary device? Do you want to taste star-rated cuisine in the comfort of your home? Don't waste another second. Click on the link below to access all the information and to order your own VAC 40425 from ROMMELSBACHER. Don't wait. An exceptional culinary experience awaits you, and thousands of extremely satisfied customers have already taken the plunge and left their reviews and feedback in the link in the description. Let's recap the advantages, as well as the disadvantages, of the vacuum from ROMMELSBACHER. Advantages of extended shelf life. One of the main advantages of this device is its ability to extend the life of your food by 3 to 5 times, thereby reducing food waste. Unmatched versatility. Whether you are a home cooking enthusiast, a hunter, a fisherman, or even a semi-professional chef, this device meets all your needs, offering a preservation solution suitable for every situation. Custom control. Thanks to adjustable settings such as sealing time and pump speed, you have complete control over the vacuum sealing process, ensuring optimal results for different types of food. Ease of use. Its ergonomic design and comfortable handle allow for easy one-handed operation, thus facilitating the vacuum sealing process. Save time and money by preparing and storing your food vacuum sealed. You save time in preparation and costs by avoiding waste. Potential drawback of the vacuum from ROMMELSBACHER. Due to its advanced functionality, the device may be slightly larger than other food storage methods, requiring adequate storage space. To fully benefit from vacuum sealing, you need to use special bags designed for this purpose, which may require additional supplies. Initial learning. Although using this device is very simple, there may be a learning curve to master the different features and settings options, especially at the beginning of your adoption of the VAC 40425 from ROMMELSBACHER. Electric power is required as it operates on mains power. The device needs a power source, which may limit its use in outdoor environments without electricity. Weighing the advantages and disadvantages, it is clear that the benefits of this innovative product far outweigh the few potential limitations. The VAC 40425 from ROMMELSBACHER offers a modern and efficient solution to keep your food fresh for longer, adding invaluable value to your culinary experience. In conclusion, the vacuum from ROMMELSBACHER is much more than just a kitchen appliance. It is your passport to a more creative, sustainable, and delicious cooking experience. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Click the link in the description now to order at the best price and elevate your culinary experience to the next level. Join thousands of extremely satisfied customers who have also made the choice.